Featuring good old
Charlie Brown.
Peanuts!
By Schultz.
Today is all about Woodstock and his pals, birds of a feather. I can't quarrel with that. Uh-oh. I knew it. These guys really play for keeps. They can't seem to agree on anything. He must have put that very well. I'm glad he was the one who won. I'm always for the Underbird.
Peanuts!
You really think so, Linus? You seriously think that Woodstock might be a Canada goose? You like hockey, Woodstock? I just have a hard time believing that he could be Canadian. He doesn't have the accent.
More like a mockingbird, I'd say.
A mockingbird? Yes, that could be it. Mockingbirds imitate the songs of other birds.
If Woodstock imitates the songs of other birds, won't he have copyright problems?
What about an eagle? Can you imagine if Woodstock was a sort of baby eagle? I read once about an eagle carrying off a small child. No, not like that. You're supposed to use your claws. I guess I never really did believe those eagle stories.
Oh, I think he's finally found his grandpa's house. We should go see. Yes, I wonder what happened too. Look here. There's a tiny little book. Your grandfather kept a diary while he was in the cage. I've been in here for 6 weeks now, and my attorney has never called back. Monday, I hate it in here. Tuesday, I hate it in here. Wednesday, I hate it in here. No, I don't think you liked it in there. Why am I in this cage? I never did anything wrong. I should be outside like other birds. This is a stupid life, sitting here alone, waiting for that door to... And that's it. The diary ends right there. You probably got out. Every time you see a bird sitting on a telephone wire, you should wave. It might be your grandpa. From your loving son, Woodstock. That's very nice. Where are you going to send it? You don't know your mother's address, do you? That's the problem with you birds. Your mother and father build the nest, you the dumbest system I ever heard of. How are you going to find your mom? She could be almost anywhere. I'll tell you what we'll do. If we can't find your mom, why don't we at least pay a little visit to the tree where you were born? It's called Returning to the Old Homestead. Wow! You think she lives there? But which apartment? Go ahead, ask the doorman. Or maybe you can just put it someplace where you think she might see it. Peanuts! That's what happens when you kick an innocent snowman for no particular reason. You cause a snowstorm. If you don't go apologize, we might all just end up under 10 feet of freezing snow. Ever since Woodstock apologized to the snowman, they're the best friends in the world. I get the impression that Woodstock thinks that his snow buddy left town without even saying goodbye. I have my doubts about whether Woodstock could ever make it out there in the wild. He's too sensitive.